Hi teens, this is Sarah with the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're going to learn how to make woven yarn butterflies. So you'll need yarn. I decided to do 2 different colors of yarn on mine. So I have orange and a green. You'll need scissors to cut the yarn. You will need popsicle sticks. These happen to be colored. You can get plain ones, whichever ones you want to use. You'll need 2 popsicle sticks, some paint. I have purple and a blue, and then I'll lighten those colors with white paint. I wanted mine to look like pastel colors for spring on the beads. So I have 20 millimeter balls that were wooden and plain, and I just painted them. And then I have 16 millimeter balls that were also wooden and plain, and I painted those. And then we happen to have a wooden color bead that I used for the head. So also, if you do buy plain wooden beads and you're going to paint them, you'll need a Q-tip to help paint them, because what you want to do is take the bead, slide it on the Q-tip, and then take your paintbrush and paint around it. I had to do 2 coats at least for these. And then you'll also need pipe cleaners. You just need 1 pipe cleaner for the craft. So what you do is you take your sticks and you make an X like this. And then you'll take your yarn and it says to take the end and just place it on there and then wrap over that end string so that the end will stay in place. So you'll do just a few wraps, and then you're gonna make like a figure 8 with it. Do that a few times and then just keep wrapping it around up and down like this. So you'll do your center first, whatever color you want, and then once you're finished, you'll cut it, leave enough to where you can trim it if you need to, and then you take that piece that you cut and you tuck it inside the threads that you already have on there, and it'll stay in place. So then you'll start your outer row after you get the inner row done, and you're basically going to do the same on your outer rows, where you just take the end, press it down, go over it a few times to keep it in place. You can also do some figure 8s on the outer and then just go up and down. The same for the other side as well. So after you get the yarn all on it, then you're going to take a pipe cleaner and you put the pipe cleaner around the center. So I'll make sure it's like kind of centered at the top where the 2 ends are together, and you put it down a little bit and just twist it at the bottom and then twist it at the top. Then you'll take your beads. So you've got your 2 small beads at the bottom, and you're simply going to slide those 2 beads on there. And you want a little bit of space on the end, so you'll move it up some and just kind of adjust it to where there's just a little tip at the end. And then at the top, this will be the part where you have twisted it at the top a little bit, and then you put that together and you put the larger bead, slide it on the 2, and then you curve these to antennas at the end. So that's how you make your woven yarn butterfly. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.